Hi class, for this lab I'm going to show you how to create a Google Doc and basically how to find the link that I'll need for the project. So this is what you're going to do. So you can log into your email and then open up the documents. You have to make sure you actually put a title. So I'm just going to put a title, Math 135. Actually, let me do 134, 135, and just call it link. Now, you don't need to have any text, but I'm just going to put T in there. And then in your project, what you're submitting to me is the following. So you have to click under share. Now, once you open this, you have to change the link. So in this case, we want a link where anyone can be an editor. So in this case, anyone with this link, anyone can, on the internet, with this link and edit. That's the link that you're going to be submitting for the project and for this lab. So you just have to make sure that you use this copy feature, not highlighted, because there's more characters that you can't see. You're just going to basically copy that and then submit it into the box. That would be it. Once you actually paste it, once again, you have to be very careful that nothing else gets on the way. That's the link that anyone on the web can actually find your document and actually edit. So that's the link you're also going to submit to your group members. Only one member needs to actually create the link and then share it with everybody else.